Do you know boneka ambalabu? Entitas jahat yang banyak meresahkan masyarakat akhir-akhir ini. This is his story. Eka was a tire repairman, but he was not honest. He often threw nails on the road, ate in restaurants without paying, and sometimes made more holes in his customers' tires. One day, Eka met an old man who wanted to fix his car tire. When the old man fell fast asleep, Eka stabbed the tire again and again to make more holes, but suddenly a frog appeared in front of him. Eka was angry, chased the frog away, and even kicked it. But something strange happened. And boom! His body mixed with the frog and the tire he was holding. It turned out the old man was a wizard who was very angry about Eka's bad actions. Since that day, people called him Boneka Ambalabu.